Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix system UI not responding. If you are seeing the system AI not responding pop up, you may go ahead, select wait or close. But if it's coming back and if it's getting pretty annoying, here are the things that you should do. So first of all, you're going to have to press your volume down button and power off button. After 2 or 3 seconds, you will see a menu like this, but keep on holding your volume down button and power off button for at least 20 to 25 seconds. Now, if you hold on for that long, your screen will go black. And as you do that, you will see the Samsung power off or power offing. You're going to have to simply wait and then restart your device again. And for some people, that will definitely work and their system UI will start responding. But if it's still not working, then head over to your settings. Scroll below, then tap on Software Update. The last thing you could try is download and install the latest software that your device might offer. Go ahead, do that, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.